Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am going to read this storybook Animal Ark Lamb in the Laundry, and it is written by Lucy Daniels. First I am going to read first two pages of this book. 1. Ready, said Mr. Hope. Just coming, Mandy replied, smiling at her dad. Blackie wants to carry the picnic basket. Mr. Hope grinned. So long as he doesn't eat all the food, he said. Even Blackie couldn't manage all that, said James. He pushed his glasses up his nose and bent down to Blackie. Blackie was James' Labrador. Put it down, Blackie, he said. Blackie looked up at him and wagged his tail, but he held on to the handle of the basket. Mandy laughed. He isn't getting any more obedient, she said. James shoved his hair out of his eyes. Down, Blackie, he said. Blackie looked up at James sorrowfully and barked. The basket tumbled to the ground. Got it, Mandy said, snatching it up. She looked at Blackie. You'll get your share of the picnic, Blackie, she said. Lucky there isn't anything breakable in there, said Mrs. Hope. Mandy looked at her mum, leaning through the kitchen window of the cottage. It's a wonder he could pick it up, she said. What have you put in here, Mum? Emily Hope laughed, and her green eyes danced. Her red hair shone in the sun. Oh, this and that, she said. Enough to keep 3 hungry people happy. And a hungry dog, James said, grabbing Blackie's collar before he could get to the basket again. Enough for a siege, said Mr. Hope as he got into the car. Come on then, we haven't got all day. Mrs. Hope laughed. But that's exactly what you have got, she said. A whole day to ramble on the moors and have a picnic. Okay, bye-bye.